Eja was a comedian as well, Dr Mary Ewusi when asɛm. Wakodi sebi Bawumia ne yira tem ama media no so. Amount for egg come madwen e de kire no at this moment amount tribu no kire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. How you Penyah block me. That means what say need you. Over like video no that one put subscribe button and back click notification corner latest update number kire wadwen de ama me. E wo comment section so baso a. No share for enya bi ahwe. So enya wo kroma no enim how NDC weaponized insult against Bawumia and then the Samira Bawumia. Even to the point that I media fee to me kwatena national television. Eko kachire obi yere se. Obi yere ane ho fesere ne yere ese. Ono no tuka na wo ba. Land Cruiser Bozin edinechi. Na Land Cruiser no eye makeups nko ane gu.
Na de no ho ahyi ne ho abufu. Eye Bawumia. Ozo yese de odi akire no. Osua de odi kan nante. Okoto nwa no ma. Bawumia ni su ne ne ban no de awo kodwopoku ni miracles aboaje mo. Dwani ahantan de bia no budi Ghana for atem. Why? Because Bawumia kogina stage a. Asakra wonim se o. Ba hwanwom na ya woto. Nyame na shira yen. Na shimu. Sabotwe mamia, o se nyame shira wo ne Samira. Na Ghana for. Nyame shira wo say. O yere convoy. Makeup. It's better now because nyame shira. Na she.
Just say yen say nipa, you know, defamation of character and character assassination. Yen say nipa, NDC used all this as weapon against Bawumia ne yere. They weaponize insult. Just say me nim the NDC for pay free Samira ne Bawumia ne yere hono me nim do pay free hono. They were said way ato aso ran kam ni say eto betwa. But obeka reason them for ko problem ko privacy no. Ana Bawumia ewe ne ye na say eja wotwa ofuam na sa atom kwa muti o sa abe start ne prabo na obe start ne campaign no ana NDC for na start agenda bi say ene ye nikai ensay Ghana for na adwene e wo Bawumia ne yere ho yemfa de ne enye say Bawumia eyere na e control ono any MPP na oba no oye baifuo oye bonsam oye Jezebel oye dangerous woman oye wicked woman enti yensay Ghana for na adwene ye nikai nkran say o ma adwene ansana o mo start to campaign that agenda no ana Dr Mary Ewusi just when your appointment at CEO of Ghana Free Zones oko PM ewo TV XYZ na eho no ene as oba besia ode no yonko ba akwatena show no so na ne ohoro no
na Ghana fo nyina yen watch out for Samira Bawumia. She's a very dangerous woman. Dangerous woman. I'm telling you this. Samira Bawumia, we should watch out for her. She's a very dangerous.
But this on the running affairs.
Or no na running MPP affairs. Bawumia there's what you want. Samira Bawumia, or ye oba Ghana ni ba. Me catch Ghana for say. Yen share Samira Bawumia ye. Won share kwan fa so odiko bubu will be dangu ye even as a second lady. And we mean say possibility also obeko opposition wo. Mon share obeye na anu ya yeto aba ni kunu wi ni yi. Mon share kwan ya na ni ode hwe afenyo market. And Samira Bawumia would deal with afenyo market. Mo wa ha mon share de.
To kwa beba.
What did you say?
Can de ne be fie.
Na
so be cancel.
O no de okunu enye hwu. Also odibi kodi Alanche Martin ne yero present kufo eyobi asesebo kaya. Enti Samira Bawumia ye one individual bi ame misro no se me amisro no misro me oba so misro Samira je obetumi dia ye Samira Bawumia say eka Bawumia nkwanko ma ye de oye de ekoso nyina ye Samira deals ni ade de ekoso nyina Samira Bawumia de beto ho ye twen nyame ya adoma wo unity bia na ye
na sem nyina ne se ade a Samira Bawumia o dangerous woman na den won na e control ho anwan won na yesay na yenhwe ani a ode hwe afanya marking. This is the whole picture. Why na Samira ehwe no edoma crop that part now oma crop that part na say Samira Bawumia ene afanya marking wo mu na Samira twene ni hwe baabi no eno yes wo hwe afanya marking with killer look bi. And I just say they are using this to chastise the woman. But what would you Samira Bawumia who first 1 million times? the NDC for just Samira Bawumia nyina say there's nobody in their party who is as beautiful as compared to Samira Bawumia. Ene mo Ghana. Omuni obi a no ho ofe. Ese Bawumia yere. Enu ne se o mabufuo ene let's insult her. Ebeko go there enko corner. Let's insult her. Obehu obi nanim asesibre nanim se adwe pa comes ade no adwe yakomasi ne krum na odi Samira Bawumia atem. Nanim tan obehu obi nanim nhyen kuran ba ku sei ase bonsam ne ball ene nyame ne ball ase bonsam pa ne ball nanim nhyen kunan na odi Samira Bawumia atem. Na eno ana TikTok and say hey yanti ase in the media say busia Dr Mary Ewusi onyina yekos ense mo ka kire no ano washipa
NDC in their political career baby go no for be o in petit tribu mi pimu den we bedi na tinu say oh nipa we so so bio or that so no is the high na very dangerous e dia de no dia yewo we are so because so dangerous one say to busa na say won tumi anchem de so dangerous that means say na wo no ko nipa ni bibio and am say won tumi anya na say backfire until now dia say nipa we dangerous because aje no eni so she's a calm person to unko na so dangerous I get in why you dangerous and anaka ko nbi na say I'm fine now you say mo bro from Dr Bawumia Samira never na so you know kon contest for the bad ah or you can see be continue so man because you intimacy
Ghana Funyina. You watch out for Samira Bawumia. She's a very dangerous woman. Dangerous woman.
NPP for 31st January, I'm aba Dr Bawumia as small flag bearer. And I'm a same way I will me YouTube platform so and I am repeating it again here. NPP communicators, muntie na muntie niye. Do not allow any non-entity, any asinine person be from the NDC party to drag Dr. Bawumia and his wife's name again. Never. Do not allow that. Because they will come here and NDC for started propaganda we said Dr. Bawumia a liar. And some NDC for starting some Gemfi and I started such stupid propaganda no. And a Togana for Mutrim and Omujidi and they baby Nambia. As mama can say Dr. Bawumia a liar from the NDC for no. Now Ghanaians have realized said Dr. Bawumia a liar and some NDC for canning a young trusen and Omokagu neso. And Ghana for who said Dr. Bawumia a liar and some NDC for can a propaganda intino. Omo per se omo de koni wife so because omo nimse no a very supportive wife. Now as a woman when your platform from yonko ba say or den evil. Say adentia. Now madam ye ka evil person na onim nipa ye evil. Onim nipa ye dangerous. Nipa ye dangerous pa no. And I say ye ka enkrofo ye dangerous ene NDC phone enkrofo na. And nipa no ye hu kese pa wo Ghana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Because what me gina platform so share Ghana for nim catch Ghana for say or the 24-hour economy ba na the biggest policy of the year campaign 24-hour economy NDC for more about bem more than 1 year and some 2 months more for 1 year and 3 months and that the pan NDC from between the monster a pinpoint to say you buy I do when ya diabua Ghana for 24-hour economy what the year campaign because one amos Ghana youth in engagement it will be create jobs na Ghana ni bia 24-hour economy na we he more ready to budgets 24-hour economy no just say ambehwe wim e wo budget ni mu teachers actually the 1 year mu ntu omoka nurses mu ntu omoka kokwa akuafo John Dramani Mahama eja kokko prize no it was 400 something Ghana cedis na do board called 3001 NDC for ba mo asan so abeti cocoa price so e de ko 2500 most today international market no prices now dropping mo ba some catch NDC MPP for be dig Ghana so for 8 good years no international market no cocoa prices no and dropping so say NDC if you do not think about Ghanaians you are very selfish like you are just wicked a very wicked party NDC for no and they know how to lie. NDC people know how to lie, and NPP people no more yamarehu because NPP people no can and no cross them cry. Ghanaians do not listen to them, but mana NDC people and start is almost your propaganda na Ghana for so ayo mo de free SHS and anado to buy from the first term, second term, third term, just and anado free abem na free SHS ejane na so the free SHS e collapse mo NDC party just say nipa be no mo hu ye hu te say mo nipa be no mo ye dangerous e te say mo NDC party omampani dada Rollins abebu amembu omampani dada atame so wanya ne baby ko onu so abebu amembu ebe pima John Dramani Mahama ne so abepim by this time ye kind this if mo na mo rule Ghana than any other party in this country mo kan kire national policy be na mo de aba na abua Ghana ni ba ko pe mo kan kire ye mo de ntro na propaganda e na beji akonwa no and then the reality no is done on you e na mo hu baby amonfa sa ma me yo okase okan kwase asem se obi a when this party ni mo Madam Samira Bawumia dangerous in what way in what sense or you're dangerous because she's supporting the husband or you're dangerous because like our self-confidence no de wani kuno enti mo de ni kuno on peka senti no why you stupid propaganda egu ni ho fi nyankopon o che say offline ni paniti nyankopon onim ni pana komem wa ma na Ghana for sisi ye hu say Dr Bawumia ye liar enti mu NDC for most times so abe starting kwasia propaganda e de abe signing we are telling you say Ghana for ehunyansa o na his essence John Dramani Mahama no na minim say oba be clear ni din o seriously I thought this papa ne ba be clear ni din because John Dramani Mahama na member na me was secondary school but after secondary school na me started politics no me I said it to myself that Dr. Friends Mahama enyo bia is obu member even as young as I was and me say Mahama enyo bia obu member yes also man a chance because we thought about be clear no and as ma make opening bia ohu John Dramani Mahama na member yie no enim se Mahama na member na enko yie but because nanado COVID-19 nanado beji akongwa 2016 2017 18 19 20 just say Ghana ye desert to say COVID-19 din hu bebo John Dramani Mahama aba 1 year pe look at the number of demonstrations e koso wo Ghana ha no and munye evil munye dangerous nemo NPP abanye omoba on be provide ambulance on be provide drones on be provide drip machines eya akwan ye interchange omo ye dangerous in conformable and it's munye nsem hu na mudi no munye nsem hu na the most painful thing is that Ghanaians no mudi most of Ghanaians no mudi NDC party national they are just say omo adwenu odwo ho awon ti ase they still believe that John Dramani Mahama be ya the papa bi dia ma and Ghana for no so amoto no no akoto aba na nyama enkoyie no they are not thinking they still think that John Dramani Mahama aba be ye bi papa amamo and this is for some be from Accra to Kumasi road mo pa his essence John Dramani Mahama mo man 60 years so to me your kwan na mo ma John Dramani Mahama 60 years so until Ghana konja so betin aye Kumasi to Accra road na and count to 4 years to pay all be so into na mo I was Mahama buy so 4 years or the baba be pay Ghana na ye na ye wa ha ye hwe nurses teachers mo betin afia to send people basan so be famo but ye ntina ho na mo stupid propaganda na mo start na mo san so start NPP communicators so stupid propaganda na NDC for start na mo hwe na mo break your mo yo
Abisuya, mechacha munina, mejiti so bia who you're right. Don't forget it is possible and it's forever remain possible. By chance yesterday came across video bia the CEO of Free Zone, Dr Mary Ewusi, Wakotna TV XYZ, and will say Haji Samira Bawumia dangerous. In fact,
Samira Bawumia, she's a very dangerous woman.
And I'm so okay. The tinti and so person describe it say your former second lady dangerous. And I'm say now what Mary Ewusi no you if there is anyone that we need to describe as dangerous, you are more than the word dangerous, Mary Ewusi. If I don't know the word that, mommy word the mood drew, and you're very strong than dangerous. Who are we training traitor? Who are we train no be money by a snitch? Who are we train no be money by a backstabber? Who Mary Ewusi? You sat on TV XYZ and told us to say, "Una we training Rose Monobin, Ababa wana na wo." Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia officer ne is a presidential staff force then we NDC no wo na catch us una training girl no wo na girl no bring information to a point una dey call Ibrahim Mama fie anajubi now that moment na ka obeti ma catch again so one poison Dr. Kwenkuno now who is more dangerous than you see the bia na me na ka asem me twem say nipa aya her body now they address it hwe wusuni wo ban ansa na wo de won sa atene wo bi so. I don't know, maybe we call studio or Bollywood and why no when you mean to say be wage our dream will feed I don't know. Because this doesn't make sense. A agenda. You see, the other time I said Kevin Taylor and send some now was saying a agenda, and I had just a mere about me. He's dangerous, want to do me this. Now no being a soon social media is soon fee. You see, you people mukasa and I'm real from when I'm jama drain to baby. Most of these youth, you see. And my bono be more mind Ghana more platform ne ma wo mu gidi we NDC mo koto abama NDC 2024. Today this same youth are crying. Ebinum papa nom nom na nane omo wofa nom na yekuku akuafo no. Ebinum ntimi ntwa electricity, ebinum ntimi ntwa water, ebinum nnuan mo SHS ane. Niema wo mo to no kamoka so mo ntwa school fees kura nkeye. Ebinum nnuan mo nursing training ni teacher training no mo pay omo allowance. Ebinum nnuan are crying ma because omo are reassembly. Use this same platform to motivate them. A bit to Abamamo because we're 24-hour economy. It's been 1.5 years now. You hungry. Now we to one former second lady mum and I'm going to be a topic. Ne and no at each my messages said they're not dream what from and I'm in some hunia sabi moody or mobeto or bad time to sell. Now who is more dangerous than you, Mary Ewusi? Who is more? Me see when you must and I'm a boo at things here. Who is more dangerous than you? You see, I may say, when him jandam ya, mungo bisa Malik Basintali, why is it quiet now? I didn't know oba eno obi abit me. You see, Nyankopon be shemu ginger bi. Ufri mufia. Enyo obi na mo be bi o mano aka o masem. Aye. You people emre and a betray. As I said, this agenda, you guys will drop it early. Because so money agenda, yeah. Don't forget it is possible and it's very, very possible. Mumara.
Yeah, watch out for Samira Bawumia. She's a very dangerous woman.
Oba ta say what me now e catch obi baso or dangerous. Oba ta na e catch obi baso or dangerous. Oba kasa asebema. E ne hini o. So men's bank na musmo de brega na form ba no. E wo yifa. E na ka say oba ginyare de so na wo kan wasem. E ne hini o. Gender minister Okonwa is so abusing kwala abusing e friend say widowers ene hie no mbema se be mu bro yire mo violence mo yire no na ye se mo mbra na mbeka ho asem na eyo obi maame eyo obi ba eyo obi ru asem eje na why se me rent so dangerous una wonim nia why oba besia enka se obet na we se ne kokko farmers a omo bra mo nya wosika kokko farmers a omo tron van dam kokko farmers a NDC as coming on na ye se metness na mo nka eye na hie ni aka se yo obi aka se pad na do mama koto na enye papa na senkola na se na ka se obeka enye obi yiri wa se
e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media, Accra.